4 mixtures that completely remove plaque from your teeth. Having a healthy smile that reveals the pearly whites is something we would all gladly possess, but apparent from the aesthetic reasons, proper oral health is important for the health of the entire body. Therefore, good oral hygiene is a must in order to prevent tooth decay, gum diseases, and bad breath. Poor dental health has been linked to numerous diseases, such as heart disease. Also, in 2010, researchers from New York University found a link between gum inflammation and Alzheimer's disease. Moreover, Harvard University researchers discovered a link between gum disease and pancreatic cancer. Plaque is formed when bacteria in the oral cavity mixes with food byproducts and proteins, and it coats the teeth, grows below the gum line, and sticks to fillings. When it hardens, plaque becomes tartar, which is a serious issue that leads to inflammation and gum disease. Tartar almost always surfaces due to lack of oral hygiene over an extended period. The formation of plaque and tartar should motivate someone to begin caring for their teeth. In order to prevent such dental problems, the American Dental Association, ADA, suggests the following teeth brushing tips. Brush the teeth twice daily, using a soft bristled toothbrush. You can also use battery-operated and electric toothbrushes. Hold the toothbrush at a slight angle, toward the area when the tooth meets the gum line, and brush inside and outside the teeth, the chewing surfaces, and the tongue. Rinse the toothbrush well and don't cover it to prevent bacteria buildup. Change the toothbrush every 3-4 months. Additionally, remember to regularly floss the teeth, in order to avoid the numerous chemicals found in toothpastes and oral hygiene products. Numerous people turn to their natural alternatives. Here are 4 more natural recipes that will remove plaque and ensure your proper dental health. Recipe 1. Mix 7 tablespoons of coconut oil, the same amount of baking soda, a few drops of your favorite essential oil, and 1/2 tablespoons of stevia to make a natural paste, and use it instead of your store-bought toothpaste. Recipe 2. Swish a few tablespoons of coconut oil in the mouth for 15-20 minutes, to remove any bacteria and whiten the teeth. Recipe 3. In a glass of water, add a few drops of each of the following: anise, mint oil, and lemon, and use the mixture to rinse the teeth 4 times daily. Recipe 4. Boil 2 cups of water, add a 1/2 cup rosemary, and 1 cup of fresh mint, and leave it aside for 15 minutes. Then, drain, and rinse the mouth with it, when it is completely cool. Furthermore, despite proper oral hygiene that involves regular teeth brushing, flossing, and using a mouthwash, as well as regularly visiting the dentist, in order to prevent plaque from wreaking havoc on your mouth, you should also avoid the following foods. Citrus fruits are rich in acid which erodes enamel and makes the teeth prone to decay. Potato chips are full of starch, which becomes sugar trapped in between the teeth and leads to plaque. Dried fruits are sticky, and leave a lot of sugar behind. Alcohol dehydrates the body, and a dry mouth lacks saliva, which keeps the teeth healthy, so this raises the risk of tooth decay, gum disease, and other oral infections. Sour candies, as they contain different kinds of acids that are tough on the teeth, stick to them, and cause decay. When chewing bread, the saliva breaks down the starches into sugar, produce substance that sticks to the crevices between teeth and causes cavities. Carbonated drinks produce even more acid in the oral cavity, that damages tooth enamel. Ice, if chewed, damages enamel and make you prone to dental emergencies.